All right, let's talk about podcast monetization when it comes to sponsors for your show. Now, why am I standing by some graffiti on a train car? Because graffiti is unique. You'll never see one that's the same. And the kind of sponsorships that you get for your show should be unique in different ways. Should be unique to your audience, something they really need, something they really would find value in. And it needs to be unique to your show. So whatever the topics are that you typically talk about, your sponsorship person or company needs to fit that sort of topic. Let me give you an example. Imagine a fine artist who does a podcast about fine art, painting, canvases, brushes, all that kind of stuff, and finds a sponsor who is the exact fit for her audience because this sponsor provides brushes and paints and canvases and things like that. And her show is popular enough with her particular demographic that she's going for that it would be a no-brainer for that paint and supply company to provide advertising on her show. If she approaches them correctly, if she actually uses their products and can convince them from experience with them, she can show them the history of her orders that she is a customer and she would like to feature them, there's a great chance she can get them as an ongoing sponsor. And then what does she need to do to make that relationship successful? Well, she's got to be sure that she's providing them the proof, episode to episode to episode, that the sponsorship is actually working. So she can create short links that she can track, see how many click through. They can then compare that to their corresponding sales, and you see how it works. That is the kind of sponsorship even small podcasters can do that is incredibly effective. Hey, I'm here to talk about podcasting stuff. If you've got questions, hit me up. I would love to answer any questions you have about podcasting, monetization, strategy, any of that kind of stuff.